Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that many Messenger users often overlook: how to unhide a contact on Messenger. If you've accidentally hidden a friend or family member and want to reconnect, you're in the right place. We'll take you through the simple steps to make those hidden contacts visible again. So let's get started. Step 1. First, grab your Android device and open the Messenger app. Make sure you're logged into your account to access your contacts easily. Step 2. Next, look for the menu icon, which is represented by 3 horizontal lines located at the top left corner of your screen. Go ahead and tap on that. Step 3. Once you're in the menu, you'll see various options. Tap the gear icon to access the settings for your Messenger app. This is where you'll find all the essential tools to manage your contacts. Step 4. After entering the settings, look for Privacy and Safety. This section allows you to manage who can see you and whom you can see in your contacts list. Tap on that option to proceed. Step 5. Now you'll see an option for Hidden Contacts. This will take you to a list of contacts you've previously hidden. Tap on that and you'll be able to see all the names that are currently hidden from your view. Step 6. Finally, find the contact you wish to unhide. Next to their name, you should see the option to unhide them. Tap Unhide, and voila, that contact will now reappear in your Messenger app. And there you have it. Reconnecting with hidden contacts on Messenger is straightforward and quick. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you, and subscribe for more tips and tricks.